Hello everybody, and into this video I will guide you how to advertise your Shopify store. There are actually many effective ways to advertise your Shopify store, both free and paid. Here's a breakdown of some popular methods to consider. For free advertising, you have those options here. Like the first one is the search engine optimization, SEO. Like include relevant keywords that potentially customer may search for. The other one is optimize website content. Create informative blog posts and landing pages relevant to your target audience. Building backlinks encourage other websites to link back to yours, which improves your searching ranking. There are many SEO tools and guides available to help you with this process. Social media marketing. Create engaging content. Share high quality photos and videos of your product. You can share videos on, of course, on YouTube or like photos on Instagram, and then post behind the scenes glimpses and interact with your audience. Run contests and giveaways. Generate excitement and attract new followers with social media contests or giveaways. This actually works pretty fine when you do it over on YouTube. So utilize social media advertising, limited free trials. So most social media platforms offer limited free advertising credits to try out their ad platform. This can help you test different targeting options and see if paid social media ads are a good fit for your store. The next one is email marketing. To build an email, just build an email list. So encourage customer to sign up for your email list by offering discounts or exclusive content. The next one is to run email marketing campaigns. Send targeted email campaigns to promote new products, special offers, or abundant carts. Content marketing, just create blog, like share valuable and informative content related to your niche. This establish you as an expert and attracts potential customers who are interested in learning more. Guest blogging. Contribute guest posts to other relevant blogs in your industry. This expands your reach and drives traffic back to your store. For the paid advertising, you can use Google Ads, and in my opinion, you also can use YouTube ads, but Google Ads are like the best option for the Shopify store. So reach potential customers who are actively searching for products like yours using relevant keywords. Pay per click, the PPC model. You only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it a cost effective way to reach interest buyers. So you can maybe, if you have a competitor, put in his name and write alternatives if it's allowed to use their brand name. If not, you can use other keywords that are related to your brand and run Google ads on those keywords. Social media ads, target your ads to specific demographics, interests, and behavior on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The visual appeal, social media ads can be very visual engaging, allowing you to showcase your products in any eye-catching way. For this one, Instagram is really suggested, but TikTok works also to boost your virality instantly. So the next one is the influencer marketing, and this one is one of my favorites here. You really can collaborate with social media influencers who have a target audience aligned with your ideal customers. And when they post something, they already have a trusted follower base, so you can easily sell like that. So product promotion influencer can promote your products to their followers, driving traffic and sales to your store. That's basically what I told now. And choosing the right advertising strategies. So we have some here, something to consider. The one is your budget. So free strategies are great starting point, but paid advertising can significantly increase your reach. It can instantly boost, like when you pay, it can boost very fastly your sales, but on the downside, when you stop promoting and paying, you lose traction. So the organic way or the influencer way may be a better option. So allocate your budget based on your resources and comfort level. Target audience, identify your ideal customer, and tailor your advertising strategies to the channels they frequent. Track and analyze results, monitoring the performance of your advertising campaigns and adjust your strategies based on data you collect. This will help you optimize your spending and focus on methods that deliver the best results. Here are some additional tips. Invest in high quality product photos and videos to grab attention and showcase your product professionally. One more tip is to buy from AliExpress or wherever you buy this product. let them deliver to your home, make a video, make professional pictures, and then you have a unique a unique image, unique video you can share. Ensure your Shopify store is mobile friendly, as a significant portion of online shopping happens on mobile devices. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. So you can go about free and paid. I would suggest you to do either social media marketing if you don't have an email list already, or go with the influencer marketing. This works very well as well. But yeah, these are the methods. I will link this guide in the description below, and see you in the next video.